The final two stages of SAGE look at external perception. G is for growth, beyond efficiency to co-intelligence. So most AI projects are framed as an efficiency play, aiming to do more with less. The magic being sales folk from big AI sell in double digits just how much faster, quicker, or more can be done at the push of a button. Now, whether these claims, like Sam Altman's from early 2024, that AI would eradicate 95% of marketing jobs in 5 years, the clock is ticking, Sam, hold water, it's a case of suck it and see if it sucks. But efficiency isn't growth. If your team can see that AI adoption means doing the same work faster for the same pay before the inevitable cull, don't be surprised if they disengage. Growth means asking what AI makes possible, not what it makes cheaper. The most exciting opportunity is what Ethan Mollick calls co-intelligence. People and AI working as teammates, not just operators supervising the machine. The cybernetic teammate study with Procter & Gamble found that teams working with AI consistently outperformed individuals working with AI, and those working without it were the least effective. The teams co-working with AI were less siloed, more creative, and reported higher job satisfaction. Note, that does not mean you need to personify your AI or give it a name, even if it's already called Claude. That is the equivalent of putting googly eyes on the Roomba. Do not do it. To grow, you need to be found, and right now your search and web content manager is losing sleep over the slow death of their beloved site. Search traffic has fallen sharply as AI becomes the answer engine. Google now overlays AI summaries on many searches, cutting click-throughs by around a third. So brands that rely on traditional, if we can call it now, SEO, are less discoverable. So what to do? The answer isn't more content, it's more specific expertise and better structured web content that gives answers, technically and conceptually designed for people and bots. And growth isn't about injecting bland AI-generated content into every crevice. That's a trust turnoff. Apply the same good skills of branding for AI as every other corporate message. Make it clear, persuasive, relatable, and show how it solves a problem. Define this. What could AI enable your teams to do together as collaborators, doing more, doing it differently, and hopefully doing it better?